Assalamualaikum. This is Hafiz Salim Siddiqui, and we are here to discuss the topic of binary system. It's our first chapter according to your O-level book, reference book, and we have been taken a topic of number system. We have different types of number system. First one is called a decimal number system. Second one is called a binary. We also call the decimal system in the denary number system. So basically a computer works on a binary number system, but why we have to be discussed in these kinds of number system also. Second one is a binary number system. Now third one is a octal, and the last one is it's hexadecimal. It's your hexadecimal. Basically, our computer only knows this number. You have to see in it. It's a binary number system. Why computer using this binary number system? Because computer works on a different switches. So basically, switches works on a on and off states. We have different states. First one is called a zero states, or second one is called a state one. Zero state means your condition is off, and one state means your condition is on. According to the number system, binary number system is working with the help of the machine system, or basically human cannot understand the binary number system, but we can manage the different number system in the binary system. We are starting a decimal or denary number system. First of all, we are discussing about basis of different kinds of number system. We are having a decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. So according to the scenario, it's a deci. What is the meaning of deci, or what is the meaning of denary? Deci and denary means 10. Deci and denary means 10. Now we are moving on. The binary, what is the meaning of bi? Bi means 2. Bi means 2. Now we are on octal, and you know this. What is meaning of octa? Octa means 8. Octa means 8. Now we having a hexa and decimal. Hexa means 6, and deci means again we can take it 10. So 6 plus 10, it will become a 16. Now we are studying why we have mentioned these 10, 2, 8 and 16 here, because according to the number system, we having different ranges in the number system. Decimal number system having a range of 10 numbers, binary having a range of 2 numbers, octal having a range of 8 numbers, and hexa having a range of 0 to 16. So we have to be started all the number system with a 0, not 1. Once we cannot start our number once. We have to be started numbers with the 0, because we have calculated 0 till 9, so we can count it 0 till 9, it's become a 10. Again we are here, so we having a two different states, 0 and 1. So we having only 2 digits in binary number system, only 0 and 1. So we are moving on octal number system. We having 8, it's mean we having a 0 till 7 digits. So you can calculate it 0 till 7, it's also become a 8. Now it's hexadecimal. Same like as decimal, we have put the numbers 0 till 9. 0 till 9. Can you calculate it 0 till 9? It will become a 10. But the rest of hexa is 6. Now we are taking the 6 alphabets. We having different letters of English alphabets. 6 different letters: A, B, C, D, E and F. So we are here. A represents the value in the decimal number system 10. B represents the 11. C 12. D 13. E 14, and last one is become a 15. If the number system discussed in these different numbers, decimal, binary, octal and hexa, we have to be converted in these number system into other number system. Again we are starting here. First of all, we having a basic value of decimal number system. It's 85. We are having a number of 85. I put the base of here. Now this base belongs to the binary or decimal number system. We should move on. Which one? 2. 2 is belongs to a binary number system. So we can easily convert it this decimal number system into binary number system. Why we calculated decimal numbers into binary number system? Because in a human understandable form, decimal number system or binary number system is used to a common numbers. We have to be converted these numbers into binary numbers because computer can only understand the binary concepts. So we have two different methods to convert these numbers into decimal number binary number system. First of all, we can take the repeated division method, RPM. Repeated division method. Repeated division method. So it's our solution here. What the number is? It's 85. Put the 85 from the right side of your LCM method. Now put the base 2 here. Why we have putting the base 2 here? Because you have to be converted this number into a binary number system. So you have to be converted, or you have to be taken out this number system into a binary number system. We having a base of 2, so you have to be completely divide this number into with the help of basic base 2. So we have to start its basically division. Now 2 times table of 8, 2, 4 times 8. Now we having a 5, but we don't have 5 in the table of 2, so we can calculate it 2 times 2. It will become a 4. So rest of the 1 is here. Why we putting this number is here? We can tell it's in the last. Okay. Now again we can take the 2 here. So again 2 is here. 2 times 2, 2 times 1. Any number is left here? No. So you have to put the 0. Now again we having a 2 here. So again we are odd numbers in this scenario, but we having a 2 times 1 and 0 will be here. So we having the rest of 1 will be as a left side. Now we having a 5 times, we having a 0 remainder here. We have calculated these number. Why we are putting these 1 0 1 0 in this form? Because we having a numbers, decimal number, its binary number 85, and we have to be converted into base 2 number system, and our remainder will make our answer. 2 times 2, it will become a 1 again. So it's our last 2 times 1. Our remainder will be 0. How can we make its answer? 85 base 10. Now 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. You can see it. We are starting from here decimal number or binary number system, but we have to convert this number into binary number system. So you can easily calculate any decimal number or any other kind of number system, or it can be converted into binary number system easily. It's the simplest way. Okay, now we can take this number. We can take this number into denary number system, it's your 85 base 10. Now base 2 belongs to a binary. It's mean while we were typing 85 in your computer system, it can take the representation of binary digits code. It cannot take its 85. It can take the binary representation code, because we have discussed that computer is working only binary number system. Computer is working only binary number system, but we can easily convert it any type of decimal number system or other number system into binary format, because we have to work on the computer system. So we making a binary number system, so we can easily convert it any other kind of number system into binary number system.